Everyone, my name is Joseph Radzwion IV, your trusted attorney with Radzwion Law PLLC. Today talking to you about another case that I'm handling yet again with another local police department here in Michigan. My client contacted me and said that they had reached out to this local police department and requested the police department return my client's property. That property being a couple firearms or several firearms that the police had confiscated from my client. My client tells me that they received a letter in the mail stating that the police department was going to dispose of the firearms if my client didn't take action. Now, to save you details and some things that need to be worked out and are confidential in nature, we can't really discuss why the police decided to confiscate the firearms. I will say that the manner in which they took these firearms was not legal by any sense of the imagination. They did not have a search warrant to enter my client's home. They did not have probable cause that my client was committing some crime or heinous act with said firearms. So essentially, the client was at a loss as to what to do and reached out to me and said, hey, can you, get in touch with this police department and figure out what we need to do? So essentially, the point that the first steps taken were to make a couple phone calls, sent some letters to this police department, actually showed up and spoke with the sergeant in charge of the property and holding property, and explained to him what was going on and that we need this property back. Essentially, I will wait to hear from the police department and what their process is and what steps Radzwion Law will have to take in order to get my client's property back. So if you're watching this, leave a comment below. It really helps us get our information out there. And if you're interested in more case updates like this, please leave us a comment below. Just say, I really like the case updates. That helps me determine what you guys want to see and what I spend time putting out for you. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.